Winter session of the Parliament is all set to begin today and will go on till 20th of December. The government has listed 16 bills for consideration in the upcoming winter session, which begins in just few hours from now. Now, ahead of this crucial session, the government convened an all-party meeting yesterday where they assured that they are ready to discuss any issue provided that all sides, that is all the opposition parties there, cooperate for the smooth functioning of the House. The opposition is also expected to raise the issue of the unrest in Manipur, pollution in Delhi NCR and the frequency of the rail incident. But the most keenly watched issue that is expected to see heated debates in the Parliament between the government and the opposition parties is the Waqf Amendment Bill. The report of JPC is expected to be discussed in this session, and the Parliamentary Affairs Minister has asserted that JPC report is likely to be tabled in the Parliament in the first week of the winter session. Now remember, this comes even after the opposition staged multiple walkouts during the JPC meetings in the last few months. TMC MP Kalyan Banerjee, if you remember, he even smashed a glass bottle and injured himself in one of these meetings.
We are not requesting. JPC will come out with the report and table in the House. If they get delayed, they'll have to seek permission from the House, because the Parliament in the Lok Sabha, it was decided that the JPC report has to be tabled before the last day of the first week of the winter session of the Parliament. If there is a delay, they'll have to seek the permission of the House.
Now remember, after the Maharashtra mandate, Prime Minister Narendra Modi from the BJP headquarters made it quite clear that the spotlight will remain on Waqf Amendment Bill during the Parliament session. He also accused the Congress party of appeasement and vote bank politics and said that there was no place for Waqf in the Constitution.
दशकों तक कांग्रेस ने देश में यही खेल खेला। कांग्रेस ने तुष्टीकरण के लिए कानून बनाए, सुप्रीम कोर्ट के आदेश तक की परवाह नहीं की। बाबा साहब आंबेडकर जी ने जो संविधान हमें दिया है ना, जिस संविधान की रक्षा के लिए हम प्रतिबद्ध है, संविधान में वक्फ कानून का कोई स्थान ही नहीं है। लेकिन फिर भी कांग्रेस ने तुष्टीकरण के लिए वक्फ बोर्ड जैसी व्यवस्था पैदा कर दी। ये इसलिए किया गया ताकि कांग्रेस के परिवार का वोट बैंक बढ़ सके।
Well, on the other hand, ahead of the Parliament session, the opposition has made it quite clear that they want the central government to clarify on several issues in the upcoming Parliament session, including the case against Adani Group in the United States and also the continued unrest in the state of Manipur.
सबसे पहले जो हम मुद्दे उठाने जा रहे हैं, हमने उस पर चर्चा की है। सरकार क्या उठाएगी, सरकार क्या लाएगी, वो तो बाद में है ना। हमारा तो फर्स्ट कंसर्न है देश की अर्थव्यवस्था। 2300 करोड़ की रिश्वत का मतलब है लाखों करोड़ का घोटाला। तो सबसे पहले तो हम वो लाएंगे।